Hi everyone, my name is Good Oyster. Welcome back to another episode of Ratchet and Clank. Now, I don't know if this will be a final video or not. I don't think so yet. There might be other stuff. I know some of the trophies told me some other things that need to be done. But I have done quite a bit of grinding. So, I don't know if it'll show my inventory, but like right there, on the inventory on the top right, I have made it above 130,000 bolts. So we should have enough bolts to use the PDA and then use the rockets against Odo. And plus, I did level up the rocket launcher to 3, and I also leveled up the tracer to level 2. But mainly the rocket launcher should be good for the meantime. I know there was a vendor modding upgrade back in the very first spot where we spawned in, but I didn't want to risk so much bolts, and also dealing with I mean, we could have dealt with the harder enemies, but might as well just get it done over with. And plus, I also got my health up to all the way to 50. Somehow that still hits me. I gotta duck that. Don't want to use the PDA just yet. Come on, dude. That's some BS. Alright. Wait a fucking minute. Why'd you bring me all the way back to the other way? Alright. Let's go. How are you able to fucking hit me? Oh, dude, is it me or did that thing cost more now? Fucking me, dude. Damn it. Fuck me, are you serious? Ah. We got this, guys. We got this. We were getting there. I was doing good. I don't know how many times I died, but either way, we're getting there. We're getting there. Ooh, shit. There, we got him. We got him, we got him, we got him. Woo! I don't know how many times we did that, but we... Oof.
What is it, pal?
These are Quark's real parents. Scrunch says they were killed by defective equipment created by the Technomites.
Wow, that really bites. Should we tell Quark?
I think he already knows.
So now, because of him, I'll never know my real parents.
I recognize your parents from the photo. They were great superheroes in their day. You should be very proud.
Somehow, I don't think pride is what he's after.
How could you do something so evil? You knew the truth and you used it against me to get what you wanted. Now, I'm going to get what I want. What are you doing? You don't know how it works! You think I'm an idiot, do you? Well, how about having this brain instead of yours? You want intelligence? You're about to get... the opposite of that.
I don't think that's such a good idea, Quark. Why don't you climb out of there and let's see if we can calm you down a bit, huh?
Yes, Quark, you should consider what you are about to do. Otto is right. You do not know the effect of this machine.
At this point, I don't care.
No. Now what are we gonna do with him?
It appears that Scrunch just added another family member.
Great. Can we get out of here now? I've got another massage scheduled on Pokataru in an hour.
You got it.
Why not get Quark back and get back to his size?
Battle Ratchet today. It's the most realistic fighting toy ever created.
Warning. Battle Ratchet is a living creature that may behave unpredictably. Do not keep Battle Ratchet in original package unless sufficient air holes are provided.
Well, I'm glad they found a use for those things.
Yes, and they seem to do a good job of keeping Quark company.
So there I was, face to tentacle with a squid beast of Oceania 8. I pulled out my trusty electro gun, but the salt water had shorted it out. Hey, I was just getting to the good part.
He may be small, but his ego's still big, huh?
That's it? Holy shit. Man. Maybe I could have put it on the previous video, but fuck it. I mean, we were able to beat it, so there was still quite a bit of stuff I wasn't able to do, like find that titanium bolt that was in Clank's, but I did found one in our dream realm somewhere. Wish I had that on the recording too, but I'm pretty sure you guys will be able to look it up on YouTube for all the locations. Now for like the outfit locations, I don't know what I have to do to get all that. I don't even know if this game has like a new game plus to where you can just free roam around or not. But still, for a small Ratchet and Clank game, it's actually pretty fun still. I guess the harder part for me is like certain weapons I wanted to level up and grind them out. Like the suction gun, the sniper mine, the moo gun, the barrier. I mean, I could have used, actually, I realized I could have used the barrier on him. On the Oto. At first, I thought the Luna girl was a just like a spy, like under Odo, not actually having a robot. And a lot of those challenges that we did with Clank were a lot easier than Ratchet's. It's not that I dislike Ratchet's challenges, like you got to do all the races. It's the one thing I get irritated with Ratchet's races is that just the way that not only the movement, well, you actually control movement more likely. I don't know how a PSP can actually move so well with the racing stuff, but either way, having it on the PlayStation 5 actually makes it a lot more easier. Well, at first, I was struggling on the controls because I was just pressing buttons. And I did set one setting to where it can lock onto an enemy and then I can still shoot at a target. But those other clone Ratchets that they have for their army they were like the most difficult enemies that I've dealt with. Honestly, I probably take back what I said about my complaints and oh, Daniel Eric Johnson. I may not know you, but rest in peace, buddy. Rest in peace. Congratulations, you have won the game. Do you wish to replay the game in challenge mode with all your weapons, armor, bolts, and skill points, or time warp back to before you confronted Odo Destruct? Oh, let's see here. Probably do warp, maybe. I was wrong. Okay. So you are done. Yes, sir, we are done. I'm hoping I can find more of the Ratchet and Clank games. I do want to get majority of like the PS3 games in the off of the internet. I do want to get the Ratchet and Clank collection. You get the first 3. I don't know which this one exactly is in chronicle order of the Ratchet and Clank series. It feels like it's like right after 2, maybe. I could be wrong. But anyways, guys, if you guys liked the video, give it a thumbs up. And if you guys want to like this, follow for more, hit the subscribe button, notification bells. And as well, I will see you all in the next level. Later.